Sample problem on the application of Bernoulli equation. So basahin lang natin yung sample problem natin. So an open tank filled with water and drains through a port at the bottom of the tank. The elevation of the water in the tank is 10 meters above the drain. And then the drain port is at atmospheric pressure. Find the velocity of the liquid in the drain port. So ito yung figure natin. We have point 1 is yung water surface natin, which is open sa atmosphere. And then point 2 is drain, no? And then the drain is also open to the atmosphere, so therefore pareho sila ng pressure, no, ng point 1 at saka point 2, which equivalent to 0, no? So pag open sa atmosphere, atmospheric pressure natin is equivalent to 0 gauge pressure. And then na-mention din dito that the difference between the elevation of point 1 and point 2 is 10 meters, no? Elevation of the water in the tank is 10 meters above the drain, so therefore we have Z1 minus Z2 is equivalent to 10 meters. So, ang pinapanap sa atin dito is yung velocity of the liquid at the port, which is V2, no? So, V2 is question mark. Tapos, V1 natin is, of course, that's 0. Kasi, assuming na wala masyadong changes dito sa water surface na yan. Negligible bale yung change in the water surface na elevation. Okay? So, ito yung solution natin. We have the Bernoulli equation. Sinulat na natin dito. We have the three components of the Bernoulli equation. We have pressure head, velocity head, and elevation head, both at point 1 and point 2. So, i-analyze lang natin. Of course, P1 is 0, no? And then P2 is also 0 kasi wala namang pressure, no? And then V1, of course, walang noticeable na changes dito sa water surface natin or negligible yung changes dyan. So, we have 0 din. Z1 minus Z2, that's considered as 10 meters. So, therefore, V2 na lang talaga yung matitira dito, no? So, we have Z1 minus Z2 is equivalent to V2 squared divided by 2G. And then, we have 10 meters is equivalent to V2 squared divided by 2 times 9.81 meter per second squared. So, diretsuhin na lang natin sa calcu, no? So, we have V2 is equivalent to, sulat na lang din natin para hindi masyadong ano, no? So, we have 10 meters times 2 times 9.81 meter per second squared. Yun na pala, no? Wala na palang over. So, square root na lang. So, we have V2 is equivalent to square root of 10 times 2 times 9.81. That's 14.00 or 14 meter per second. So, then velocity V2 equals 14 meter per second. That's the velocity at the drain. Okay? So, kahit hindi mo nasukatin yung velocity dito, no? Kahit na wala ka ng pressure din na gauge, basta open lang siya sa atmosphere, no? Pwede mo na makuha yung velocity. So, ito yung gagamitin natin, yung Bernoulli equation. Okay? So, I think yun na yun para sa sample problem natin. And I hope na medyo, madali lang yung pag-discuss natin. And see you again sa mga next sample problems natin. Thank you!